Hello class 2, welcome to your English literature class children. So I hope you all are keeping well, and as you all know that we have completed the syllabus, so we are doing the revision part. In the previous class we have done the revision of chapter 1 of your book, isn't it? And we have discussed the question answer also. We have not done the question answer, only we have explained the story, isn't it? Question answers, there are not many question answers. So open your book at page number 20 today, 2020. So this is your book, as you all know that this is your book, New Mulberry Part 1, and we are doing the revision of chapter 1. Chapter 1 explanation part is already done. Today we will do page number 20, grammar time. Okay, question answer, there are very easy question answers, isn't it? You can very simple question answers, you can do the question answers properly. So we will do the grammar part today. Okay, so open your book at page number 20. This is page number 20 of your book. Okay, we will do grammar time. Okay, see, as we have already done this, still as revision we will do. Now children, I think by this time you know naming words. What are naming words? Name of anything, isn't it? It may be name of a person, maybe name of a place, animal, thing, isn't it? So naming words are the name given to animals, places, person, things. Very clear? Now there are two types that we have discussed here. There are more than two types, but in your class we have discussed two different types, that are those are common names and exact names. And this is common noun and exact names are known as proper noun. Okay, so but in this class we have done this one as common names and exact names. Okay, now what do you mean, what is the difference between common names and exact names? So suppose there are 50 students in a class, and the teacher calls out the name like Ravi, stand up. So Ravi is name of a particular boy. This is the exact name of a boy, isn't it? Exact name of a person. So they are known as proper noun also. Okay, now if I say boys stand up, then what happened? All the boys will stand up in the class. A class consists of boys and girls both, isn't it? If I say boys stand up, so I'm not naming anybody particularly, so I'm saying boys. So there are many boys, all the boys will stand up because this is the common name given to person, isn't it? So all the boys of the class will stand up, so it is also known as common noun. So you know the difference between common noun and proper noun, exact names and common names. So common names are the name of people, places, things, etc. in general. Okay, like if I say elephant, it may be any elephant, isn't it? If I say city, okay, I live in a city. City is the common name. It may be Delhi, it may be Mumbai, it may be Kolkata, isn't it? Punjab, anyone, any city. Now if I say I live in Kolkata, so Kolkata is name of a particular city. So Kolkata is the exact name, means it is the proper name. Okay, so common names are the names of people, animal, places and things in general. Okay, and exact names are the special name given to people, animals, places and things. And exact name means proper noun always starts with a capital letter, isn't it? Suppose you write I live in Kolkata, so K will be capital. I will go to Delhi tomorrow, so D will be capital. Okay, so common noun always starts with a capital, proper noun means the special names should be always written with the first letter capital. Done? Is it clear? And common names do not begin with the capital letter unless and until it is the first word of the sentence. Unless and until it is the first word of the sentence, we will not write the common names with the capital letter first. Okay, that means the first letter of the word should not be capital always, but when we write the proper noun, the first letter should be always capital. Okay, so this is the difference between the proper noun and common noun, means exact names and common names. That is what you have done. If I say elephant, means common noun, common name. If I say Jumbo the elephant, means Jumbo is the name of that particular elephant. So Jumbo will be capital. I am in page number 21. You can see two columns given here, common names and proper name. You can find out the difference here. See, boy, if I say boy, means in general I am talking about. If I say Ravi, means I am talking about a particular boy whose name is Ravi. And then girl, if I say girl, means any girl in general. And when I say Ankita, Sita, Rita, then it is an exact name, and we have to write the first letter of the word always in capital letter. Okay, so this is the revision part, and in page number 20, this is page number 20, we have done this. So you go through this, means you are asked to circle the naming words, isn't it? Here, circle the naming words in the following sentence. I think you have already done this one. Elephant, the elephant wants a friend. So elephant, isn't it? Elephant is noun, then friend is also noun. Then number 2, frog jumps into the pond. Pond is name of a place, and then frog is name of an animal. Then the lion sleeps in the cave. Cave is a naming word. Then lion is also a naming word. You have to circle them. Then children go to school every day. Children and school. Then the man with the drum is my father. Here you will find 3 nouns like man, then drum, then father. Okay, so you have to circle them all, and I hope you have already done. So at home today you will revise this. Okay, thank you.